Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how to use a remote app to have access either to your laptop, to your computer, to your mobile phone, and I'm gonna show you how to use it and how to set it up for yourself. So for example, if you're going to the work and you forgot your phone, and how you're gonna connect to your phone and how you're gonna use it. So there is a way I'm gonna show you now how to set up. So the first thing you need to do, you need to just open a browser and go to the Teamviewer, which is already here, and click on Teamviewer Remote Control. You can press on Try Now for free, or there is a button here, it says free download. If you just click on the free download, it shows you this page and then download for free. Choose your operating system. Is it the Windows, Mac, Linux, Chrome OS, Raspberry, Android, OS. Okay. So the point of this video is, for example, if I forgot my phone and I left it at home and now I'm at work and I'm using the, for example, Mac OS or the Windows. All right. So you just click on the Windows and then you download the files and then you will set it up. Okay. So I've already done that and it's here. Right, let me just do that again. Right, so here is the Teamviewer app. Okay, so this was the next step, to install the Teamviewer app on your desktop or Macintosh computers. The second step is to install the Quick Connect either on your Android phone or on your Apple phone. So if you just go back here, for example, I have the iOS, I need to just click on the iOS and then it will help me to download it. All right, so it's here. What you need to download, either you have the Android phone or you got Apple, you need to download Teamviewer Quick Support, this one. Okay, and then you will install this one on your phone, and then you will give the permission to your phone to use the Quick Support to have a remote access from any computers to your mobile phone. Okay, so I'm not gonna waste your time by installing this one, so you need to go to your App Store or Google Play to download it directly from the source, from the Teamviewer. Okay, and now how we set it up. Right, so I just opened the Teamviewer on my Windows computer, and let me show you some things here. I will record this one on my phone and I will add it to this video. So when we hold on, okay, so when we start the Quick Support, when we open the Quick Support on our mobile phone, it shows off this number, okay, which is the remote number. So if we back here to let me just stop this. Yeah, okay, so to get connections to your mobile phone, what you need to do is just click on connect here, and on your mobile phone, as I showed to you, there is a one number, for example 1427 here, 432 43644, something like that. Okay, I'm just pressed connect. And we need to wait. There you go. So it will show my screen in a second. Okay. There you go. So this is my screen now. So I can go to my folders, I can go to my settings, and I can just click on this one and then check my software updates. Yeah, it's quite useful. I can go and answer my messages. So you can use your mouse to flick right or flick left. So like that. So it's quite useful. So try to use this app to have access to your mobile phone if you forgot it. Okay, so this is the app like this. So it's called the Quick Support. So you need to install this one either on your Android phone or on your iOS phone, like your iPhone. All right, and do not forget to subscribe my video channel, and thank you for watching me.